Welcome to our mouth-watering pan-fried potatoes recipe, where we'll take your potatoes to new heights of flavor. Get ready for a culinary adventure as we guide you through each step. Let's start by preparing the potatoes. Cut the potatoes into small-sized pieces. This will ensure even cooking and a delightful texture in every bite. Next, pour some oil into a cooking pot and add the cut potatoes. Let them sizzle and fry for 2 minutes. Now, add 1 to 2 cups of water to cover the potatoes. Add salt to taste and mix well. Then, allow the potatoes to boil for 8 to 10 minutes or until they reach a delightful halfway point of tenderness. After boiling the potatoes, it's time to enhance the flavors. In a separate frying pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic. Fry them for a minute to release their aromatic essence. Next, add the partially boiled potatoes to the fry pan and mix them well. Then, sprinkle in some red pepper powder for extra flavor and stir the potatoes to distribute the spices evenly. Now, spread the potatoes in the fry pan and fry them on both sides until they develop a beautiful brown texture. Once the potatoes are perfectly fried and golden brown, it's time to dish them out and enjoy their tempting aroma and taste. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content, and your likes help support our channel. We appreciate your support, and it means the world to us. Thank you for watching.